सो यू नो हमने इतने सीजन्स देखे हैं और ये सीजन भी आई थिंक अब 2 महीने पूरे डेफिनेटली हो चुके हैं. बट डू यू थिंक दैट जो बेंचमार्क आपके सीजन ने क्रिएट किया है वो यहाँ पे जरा सा भी लागू हो पा रहा है? बिकॉज इट इज एब्सोल्युटली इम्पॉसिबल टू क्रिएट द सेम मैजिक. बट व्हाट इज योर टेक फुल सीजन? डेफिनेटली बिट्स एंड पास पे तो हम बाद में आएंगे.
You see, there are numerous problems that have been faced by these people regarding the setting up of the show in this particular season. Number one, you know about the corona and the pandemic that is going on. Because of that, the Colors channel and in Endemol has lot of restraints in telling their story and trying to get people in and trying to get new faces in and make the activity much faster than what it was last time. But what happened last time, everything fell in place because sometimes it's like making a dish, when you are cooking something and when you put in all the ingredients, sometimes the dish turns. The flavors are unbelievable. Everything extends and puts some flavor into the dish. Sometimes, after doing the best possible work also, the dish doesn't come out the way you have thought it's supposed to be. Similarly, this time, they may not have put up the best dish, number one, because of the pandemic. They are trying to do their best in the circumstances that are available to them. In that view, I think the show has been good enough to run. But I think in the coming week, they are going to chuck out most of the people and get in 5-7 new, which have already been announced. And they are all the stalwarts of Bigg Boss. Now, whether that is right or wrong, that only time will tell. But according to me, the faces that are coming in also are people who have been seen to the end, and they've been seen too much. And in that circumstances, how this will work out, we do not know. But I can tell you one thing, that the effort from them has been quite a bit. And of course, it is not like BB13 at all. And that is because they have a lot of constraints which are at the moment going on their lives at this structure. So you cannot just compare. Let the season go ahead and let people enjoy. Whoever watches Bigg Boss will like watching Bigg Boss. So it's like that. So one season might go very.
But अभी तक के इस पूरे सीजन में आपका फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट कौन रहा है?
Actually, कोई ऐसा फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट नहीं आया उसमें. ऐसा कोई आया नहीं जिससे यू कैन से कि यार आई एम फॉलोइंग. बट मेरे कुछ फ्रेंड्स थे अंदर, एंड दे वर पीपल हु आर डूइंग शोज विद मी. वन वाज राहुल वैद्य एंड वन वाज जान कुमार शानू. नो, ये दोनों लड़के मेरे साथ शोज करते थे. वी हैड गॉन अब्रॉड शोज एक्सेट्रा. एंड राहुल वैद्य इज अ very, very interesting personality.